The casino floor is buzzing, lights flash, slot machines jingle, and cheers erupt from the craps table. But there's a different kind of excitement emanating from the Baccarat tables, an aura of sophistication and anticipation. Baccarat, a game steeped in history and favored by high rollers, is now accessible to everyone. It's a game of chance, strategy, and elegance, where fortunes can be won and lost with the turn of a card. Baccarat's allure lies in its simplicity and the potential for big wins. Unlike poker or blackjack, where players compete against each other, in Baccarat, you're betting on the outcome of two hands, the player and the banker. The goal is to predict which hand will have a total closest to 9. This easy-to-understand premise makes Baccarat a popular choice for both seasoned gamblers and newcomers to the casino scene. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or a curious newbie, Baccarat offers a unique blend of excitement and strategy. With its straightforward rules and the potential for significant rewards, Baccarat is a game that can captivate players of all levels. So step up to the table, place your bets, and see if you have what it takes to master the art of Baccarat. Welcome to BetWise Academy, where we turn your casino dreams into reality. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and strategies. Baccarat is a game of chance where you bet on the outcome of two hands, the player and the banker. The goal is to predict which hand will have a total closest to 9, or if the hands will tie. Cards 2 through 9 are worth their face value. Aces are worth 1 point. Tens, jacks, queens, and kings are worth 0 points. To start a round, 2 cards are dealt to both the player and the banker hands. If either hand totals 8 or 9, it's called a natural and the round ends. If neither hand has a natural, a third card may be drawn based on specific rules. The hand with a total closest to 9 wins. Understanding the drawing rules for the third card is crucial to mastering Baccarat. For the player hand, if the total is 5 or less, a third card is drawn. If the total is 6 or 7, the player stands. For the banker hand, the drawing rules are more complex and depend on the player's third card. Baccarat offers 3 primary betting options: player, banker, and tie. Each bet comes with its own payout and house edge. Betting on the player hand means you believe the player's hand will be closer to 9. This bet pays 1-to-1, meaning you win the same amount you wagered. Betting on the banker hand means you believe the banker's hand will win. This bet also pays 1-to-1, but a 5% commission is usually charged on winning banker bets. This commission is how the casino makes its money on Baccarat. Finally, betting on a tie means you believe both the player and banker hands will have the same total. This bet pays 8-to-1 but has a much higher house edge. Understanding the payout and house edge of each bet is crucial for making informed wagers. While the tie bet offers a tempting payout, its high house edge makes it a risky proposition. The player and banker bets with their lower house edge are generally considered the more strategic options for consistent wins. While Baccarat is primarily a game of chance, certain strategies can help you manage your bankroll and potentially increase your chances of winning. One popular strategy is the martingale system. This system involves doubling your bet after every loss, with the aim of recouping your losses and making a profit when you eventually win. We have created a video on this focusing on blackjack. Another strategy is the Fibonacci system, where you bet according to the Fibonacci sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. After a loss, you move up the sequence, and after a win, you move down. These systems can be effective in the short term, but they require a substantial bankroll and can lead to significant losses if you encounter a losing streak. It's important to remember that no betting system can guarantee consistent wins in Baccarat. However, understanding these systems and their potential benefits and drawbacks can help you develop a more strategic approach to the game. Remember, the key to success in Baccarat lies in managing your bankroll, understanding the odds, and making calculated bets. Beyond betting systems, several practical tips can enhance your Baccarat experience and potentially improve your chances of winning. Bet on the banker. The banker bet has a lower house edge, 1.06%, compared to the player bet, 1.24%, making it statistically the best bet. Avoid the tie bet. The tie bet has a high house edge of around 14.4%, making it less favorable despite the higher payout. Take advantage of bonuses. Look for online casino bonuses to get extra funds, increasing your chances of winning without additional risk. Keep sessions short. Longer sessions increase the chance of the house edge catching up. Short sessions can help you walk away a winner. Observe winning streaks. Some players follow streaks like betting on the banker during a winning streak, but remember, this isn't foolproof. Remember, winning at Baccarat is about making informed decisions and managing your expectations, not relying on luck alone. Baccarat, with its air of sophistication and potential for big wins, offers a captivating casino experience for players of all levels. In our previous chapters, we delved into winning strategies that can elevate your Baccarat game. We discussed the importance of understanding the odds and probabilities, which can guide your betting decisions. Another key point was the significance of managing your bankroll effectively to sustain longer gameplay and mitigate losses. Recognizing patterns and trends can be valuable, though always with caution, as Baccarat is ultimately a game of chance. Recapping the specific tips provided earlier. 1. Bet on the banker. 2. Avoid the tie bet. 3. Take advantage of bonuses. 4. Keep sessions short. 5. Observe winning streaks. So now you can step up to the Baccarat table with confidence, place your bets, and see if you have what it takes to master this captivating game of chance and strategy. Remember, the key to mastering Baccarat lies in a blend of strategy, understanding, and responsible play. Enjoy the game. Before we wrap up, we have one last important step to help you on your journey to mastering Baccarat and other exciting casino games. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about strategic gambling, we invite you to join the BetWise Academy community. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of tips, strategies, and insights that can elevate your gaming experience. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you understand Baccarat better. Your likes help us create more content tailored to your interests. And if you know someone who would benefit from these tips, please share this video with them. Together, we can build a community of informed and strategic players. So, subscribe now, like, and share. Welcome to the BetWise Academy, where smart play meets big wins, and where triumph emerges from relentless and unwavering dedication. Happy gaming, and see you at the tables.